Social Security, 2,400 extra in checks, expanded and reintroduced into Congress. Yes, this information has just come out. It's been updated for those on Social Security, a fixed income, disabled, VA survivors. This is information that you do not want to miss. If you've been looking for updated information on the $200 monthly increase for those on a fixed income, then this is the video for you. All the full details are right here in this video. It is loaded all the way until the end with information. Stick around because you do not want to miss. Social Security proposal for $2,400 extra in checks, expanded and reintroduced into Congress. Joe Biden administration has been watching this heavily, looking at the perfect opportunity to present this to the American people, to push this into law, understanding that inflation has been a heavy blow to those senior citizens, to those on a fixed income, and it's time for some financial relief. We've got a ton of information right here that has just been updated and reintroduced into Congress. Yes, some very, very exciting news for those on a fixed income. We've got all the details right here just for you. But real fast, before we dive in, thank you so much for tuning in today. Thank you for your love and support. Your love means the world to us. Thank you for your comments. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for your chance to win a free $25 Amazon gift card. We do a giveaway every Friday, and you have a great chance to win. You still got some time to jump in on this Friday's giveaway. If you would like to support this channel by buying a t-shirt, a coffee mug, or a face mask, then you can click on the buy merch link and you can support us in that way. With all that information being said, let's dive in. So Democratic Senator Bernie Sanders formally reintroduced again, yes, the Social Security Expansion Act to Congress, and this time he's pushing it even harder. He's got his fellow lawmakers pushing the initiative to the Biden administration, waiting for this to go into law. Yes, the Social Security Expansion Act, it's in Congress and it is making it happen. As Social Security Expansion Act was first introduced on June 9th by Sanders and U.S. Representative Peter DeFazio, under terms of the bill, anyone who is a current Social Security recipient or who will turn 62 in 2023 would receive an extra $200 in each monthly check. Yes, $200 extra is definitely a big increase considering that you guys aren't getting anything right now. So anything extra is definitely a positive thing, meaning that Social Security recipients could get an additional $2,400 a year in benefits extra if they finally approve this bill. This is something that seniors would no doubt welcome, as inflation wipes out their annual cost of living increase. Understanding this is very clear. There's so much bills that got to get paid. Inflation has been terrible. Grocery prices haven't helped. And this is something that our senior citizens, those living on a fixed income, need desperately. They desperately need a financial relief check. This is something that's going to help them, and they need to make it happen. They've got so much supporters. They've got Senator Elizabeth Warren. They've got Senator Jack Swiatkowski. They've got Val Hoyle, and renewed interest aiming proposed cuts to Social Security as the U.S. faces its latest debt ceiling crisis. Where Joe Biden and Kevin McCarthy fall within the debt ceiling is really a debate. Understanding they do not meet in the middle. They do not see eye to eye. Joe Biden has his plan for the debt ceiling crisis. Kevin McCarthy has his, and understanding that it's the American people who are suffering until they get something figured out. Yes, inflation has been terrible, and we understand that there has been proposed cuts to Social Security, but guess what? They're not going to cut it, so there's no worry there. Medicare is going to be protected. Several people are needing help financially, so the last thing that we need to talk about is cuts to Social Security. But this is where the latest draft bill of the Social Security Support Act provides a way forward for severely underfunded programs, literally for seniors that are facing difficult times right now. There's been a huge plea for help for our senior citizens, for those on a fixed income. Not being able to pay rent, not being able to buy food, not being able to keep the lights on, pay the bills has been a cry for our senior citizens for a very long time. And it's time that we provide relief. Now, at the time when nearly half of older Americans have no retirement savings and almost 50% of our nation's seniors are trying to survive on an income less than $25,000 a year, our job is not to cut Social Security. And this is what Bernie Sanders is using at the forefront to help everyone see how much Social Security and these checks are not enough, that, you know what, people need help. He's wanting them to understand that so many people are living on under $25,000 a year, and that 93% of American households, yes, that are making $250 or less, there's got to be a change. There's got to be a change. They're not wanting to touch those on $250 or less on their taxes, but they feel like anything more, they need to pay their fair share. He said, number one, our job is to expand Social Security so that every senior in America can retire with the dignity they deserve. Giving them an additional $2,400 a year will extend the solvency of Social Security for another 75 years. This will also give those that are disabled, those that are on a fixed income, literally a good sign of relief, so that way they don't have to worry about that additional income. So yes, this is some very, very important news. Hopefully they will get this passed very, very soon. We are keeping our eye heavily upon this news to keep you updated with all this information. But thank you again so much for watching. We appreciate all that you do for this channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe for your chance to win a free Amazon gift card. And until next time, I'm John Muro. Peace.